If you're experiencing server timeout issues in The Sims 4, there are several steps you can take to improve your connection and gameplay experience. Follow these steps to boost your server performance. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast enough for online gaming. You can do this by running a speed test and checking for any interruptions or slow speeds. Step 2. Restart your router. Sometimes, simply restarting your router can resolve connectivity issues. Unplug the router, wait for about 30 seconds, and then plug it back in to refresh your connection. Step 3. Update The Sims 4. Make sure that your game is up to date. Launch the game launcher and check for any available updates. Installing the latest patches can fix bugs and improve server connectivity. Step 4. Adjust game settings. Lowering certain graphics settings in The Sims 4 can help improve performance. Go to the Game Options menu and reduce settings like texture quality and visual effects to see if it helps with server stability. Step 5. Contact support. If you've tried all the above steps and are still experiencing issues, consider reaching out to EA support for assistance. They can provide additional troubleshooting steps or inform you of any ongoing server issues. By following these steps, you should be able to enhance your gaming experience in The Sims 4 and reduce server timeout problems. Happy gaming!